We're going to go for a walk in the woods today. This is Holyford, my local patch of ancient woodland. I'm going to be visiting this woodland once a month this year to show you how it changes through the seasons. When I reach the top of the valley, I'm going to do a bit of journaling at my usual bench. But for now, I invite you to enjoy the sights and sounds of a British woodland in winter. So this is where I come to write, and journal, and look at the sky and the trees at all times of year. We take a deep breath here, and then we watch the sky for a minute or so, and the wind in the trees. January 6th, Holyford Woods. Cold grey skies and a breeze, feeling very fresh and good. I came to Holyford for some quiet today, and though broken periodically by helicopters and cars, I found some peace here. The branches of the bare trees sway in the breeze, and the wind soothes through the old brambles and ferns. I feel the breeze as a chill across the cheek and nose, rising and falling with the hissing of its movement through the trees. And the birds are silent and still today, giving way to the wind and the sounds of human busyness, finding its way down into this little haven of wild. The silence of the birds might be telling. I think that rain is coming.